Hey everyone, once again welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create a dynamic running total using an array formula. A running total helps track cumulative values over time, perfect for sales tracking, budgeting, or financial reporting. So let's get started. First, let's set up our data set. We'll use a simple sales table with 3 columns. First column would be on sales date. The second sales amount and the third column is running total. We're going to have our array formula. So let me get the date. Let's start with the 1st of March. Then I'm going to drag it down all the way to 12 March. Then I'm going to get the random number by using run between formula. And then the bottom number would be 100 and the top number would be 200. Then I'm going to close that, then enter, then drag it down all the way to the 12th March. Okay, the issue here is whenever I put something here on the third column, the random numbers keep on changing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all this, then I'm gonna go to the home tab, then copy what I've just selected, then paste values. Okay, as you can see in the formula bar, no more formulas for these numbers. So now I'm going to start doing the array formula by sum and then getting the cell B3 and then column, then B3 again, then close parentheses. Then I'm going to lock this out, B3, the first B3, by clicking on the F4 to lock on my keyboard, then enter. Then I'm just going to pull it down. So there you have it. Let me check this out. Okay, 198 plus 182 is equals to 380. 171 is equal to 551. That check out. Okay, the only remaining issue here is the error checking indication here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the formula, then click this triangle here, drop down arrow, then click error checking, then ignore error, all the rest of the error. This is actually not error, but I'm gonna remove it. Then the error check is complete for the entire sheet. Click OK. Okay, there you have it. You got the dynamic running total with an array formula. Thank you for watching.